Let's get your coffee maker sparkling clean. When you see this icon illuminates on the screen, it's time to descale. Start by preparing descaling powder and all the necessary accessories. Make sure the coffee maker is cooled down before you begin. Open the cover, remove the filter and filter basket. Pour out any leftover residue, then wash them thoroughly. Once clean, remember to let everything air dry or towel dry before putting them back. Open the cover. Please align the filter basket and filter with the notches and place them back into the machine. Next, prepare the descaling solution. Dissolve the descaling powder in water and pour it into the tank, filling up to the 12-cup mark. Close the cover. Now press and hold the clean button to start the descaling process. You'll see the icon illuminate on the screen. The clean cycle will take about 15 minutes. Once it's complete, the icon will stop flashing. Empty the carafe, then fill the water tank with clean water. Run at least 2 more cleaning cycles to rinse out any remaining descaling solution. Your coffee maker is now clean and ready for your next brew.